Hey guys, good morning. Corin's hiding because he was dancing a second ago. I'm gonna put that in the blooper reel. We decided we're gonna head over to Animal Kingdom Lodge. We're at Kandani Village today, Kandani Village, and we're gonna check out the bread service at Sanaa. Have you guys done the bread service before? We've actually stayed here so many times in the hotel, and we've never done the bread service, but today we drove over from our other property we're staying at, and we're going to show you guys what this famous bread service is all about. So, let's go check it out. Okay guys, so Corin just found something really awesome that I missed. Corin, will you share with everybody? Dun, dun, dun. We found a hidden Mickey right on the table. Good job, Corin.
Alright,
nice.
The bread, the cup, the spicy naan, the garlic ginger, traditional, paneer paratha, and the onion culture on the bottom.
Nice.
And the sauces, the red chili sambal, jalapeno lime, both are spicy. Coriander chutney and the pickled garlic, that's for the flavor. The hummus, tomato jam, tamarind chutney, mango chutney, and the cucumber rider, the mild and sweet. So the spice is going to the mild.
Nice. Great, thank you. Appreciate it. Let's do this live. We're going to do it live and check it out. It looks really good. Yeah, they did. Yeah, they did. Thank you. Sounds amazing. Thank you. Okay, so I think we said that one was hummus, right? Let's see. Is it good? That's good. Okay, I'm gonna try one. I'm gonna try. Which bread did you try? I'm gonna try the same bread, and I'm gonna try this chutney one, which is kind of like yellow, because he said it was mild. So let's see. It's good.
I'm gonna try a spicy one.
You gonna try a spicy one? Yeah, try a spicy one. Bella's gonna go for it. She's gonna try a spicy one.
Yeah, I mean I do like spicy stuff, so it shouldn't be too bad.
I think he said the spicy was this side.
No, he said it goes spicy.
Oh my gosh, I almost misread that. So Bella pointed out it goes kind of like in a U shape. So she's trying the most spicy one.
Okay. That is spicy.
It is spicy?
But it's not like,
is that good
your
flavor?
tongue's not gonna burn off.
What about this green one? It looks like it has some cilantro maybe?
Or maybe we're just, that's probably just spicy.
Let's see. I don't know what's in there, but it's good. Alright, we're gonna enjoy this, y'all. And if you're coming to Sanaa, highly recommend trying the bread service. We're enjoying it and we're not even like fully into it yet. So okay, so Bella and I, we've tried between the two of us, we've tried all the dips so far. And what is your favorite?
I like the hummus. I also like the most spicy one.
Bella's favorite is hang on, let me do a kind of an overview. So Bella's favorite is the hummus, which is this one here. Very good. My favorite is this one. It's a tomato date. It actually is kind of sweet. This, if you are a garlic lover, this is delicious. It has a little bit of a kick to it. I don't know what is in this green one, but it's pretty good too. Bella, I didn't try the spicy one because it has...
It's kind of like, it's not that spicy. Like if you eat a jalapeno, obviously that's going to be spicy. But like, if you just take like the sauce and put it on there, it's good.
It's good.
Yeah.
And then this one had a little bit of spice, but it wasn't like too...
Yeah, it tastes kind of barbecue-y, like
barbecue-y?
Like barbecue tomato. If you ever had anything like that, that's what it tastes like.
Yeah.
I would say.
And then this one here, next to the tomato date, my favorite, it's very liquidy, almost like a soup consistency. It's mild and good.
And then this yellow one was delicious. It actually, I think that's mango chutney of some kind. Yeah. It does have, I felt like it had a little bit of kick, unless I was just getting that leftover from the other sauces. And then this one is more of like a Greek
like a
sauce
calming kind of.
Yeah, obviously like maybe sour cream based with some spices and cucumbers in there. So
At first I was like, people really go all the way over the Animal Kingdom for the bread service at Sanaa? Like, is that a thing? I see why it's a thing now, because I think it was $17. We got drinks, and this is enough. Like, especially when it's hot and like super humid, you don't want like a heavy meal, especially in the middle of the day. I think this is great for lunch, especially like me and Bella are sharing it, and I'm like almost full, and we're like a quarter of the way of what we've eaten so far. So I would say, yeah, if you have the time and you like bread and you're a foodie, like definitely check out the bread service at Sanaa. I'm a fan. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, do it. All right, we're gonna finish this meal. Not the dessert menu. I have my glasses on because this is serious business.
Oh yeah.
So they have Saradura butterscotch pudding with almond coffee streusel, pineapple, mango, and shortbread. Maybe. Kenyan coffee. Petite. That sounds good. African triple chocolate mousse. That sounds amazing. And the spice trade candy bar with coconut, apricot, caramel, pistachio, cashew bar, coated with milk chocolate, topped with chai cream. That's my favorite. I know what I'm getting. That's the chai cream I was telling you guys about with a waffle. Just because it has that on there, I'm getting that. So, and then there's a kheer. I think I'm pronouncing that right. Coconut rice pudding with cashew streusel and saffron poached fruit. So, let's check it out. What are you gonna get?
I don't know.
Okay, we'll be back in a moment. How happy I am right now. So you may have heard me mention earlier that we usually come here for the waffle and chai cream, and I asked the server if I could get coffee, and she brought me this cute little side of chai whipped cream. So I'm super happy. We're about to have our desserts, and I'm gonna have a chai coffee now. So yay Disney, yay! You like it, right? 100% best lunch since we've been here.
Yeah.
All right, the desserts are here. Bella, do you want to tell us about your awesome dessert?
Yes, I got one that's like very banana oriented.
banana chips
on the bag because I don't like bananas. But I decided, hey, might as well. So got my banana chocolate raspberry stuff. I'm gonna eat it and it's gonna be good.
Yeah.
I hope.
And I'm gonna share. Corn and I are gonna share, and we got the little candy bar. I can't. I literally can't remember the name of it now. So I'll let you know how it is. How is it? Let's do this.
Okay.
Bella, give us a bite live. Corn, do you want to try the candy bar? Hang on, wait till Bella's done.
Okay.
Bella first. How is it, Bella?
Crunchy.
Crunchy? Is it good? You like it? Yeah. All right, Corn, you're up.
You want me to have all stuff in it?
Try anything you want. Take a nice big bite. Tell everybody how it is. It's hard, huh? Oh yeah, you gotta get in there, man. Jeez, get in there. Candy bar is hearty. What do you think? Do you like it?
A lot of emotions.
It's got a lot of, you're going through a lot of emotions. What are your emotions? Tell us.
It's like a caramel was a gummy.
It's like if a caramel was a gummy?
Yeah.
Wow. That's, what else? Let's take a peek inside. Oh my gosh, that does, you're right, look. So it does
It had a little bit of coconut flavor.
has some coconut flavor. It's got a little bit of chai cream there on the top. So would you recommend it? So would you say thumbs up or thumbs down?
I'm like thumbs up, but a little bit.
Thumbs up, but a little bit sideways.
And not this, just like a little.
Just, okay. So like 78%. Mine too. Try the Spice Road candy bar. And Corn was right. It takes a minute to kind of dig in there. The server described it as
a Snickers bar on steroids.
With coconut.
With coconut. It has like a familiar flavor, but I can't place it. It's good though. Coconut, dates, nuts, a little bit of chocolate, but a lot of healthy things in it. But it really does taste like a kind of like a Snicker bar.
Like if you hate bananas, you don't get this. Like I don't hate them. Like this is good. It's like the chocolate kind of saves it. But if you like absolutely hate bananas, this is not the dish for you at all.
Okay. So if you're not a banana fan, don't get the caramel, the DZ. I think that's how it was pronounced. But I would highly recommend the Spice Road candy bar. It's good. So one more thing, if you're DVC or you're an annual pass holder or both, always make sure you mention that to your server. I just mentioned to the server, we happen to be DVC and annual pass holders, and a lot of times I'll just say DVC because it's easier and I have a picture of it on my phone, but today I said both, and she said, I'm glad you said both because it's actually 20% off. Oh my gosh, so what is happening right now? One moment. It's a birthday celebration going on. Birthday to the guy over there. But just to repeat, if you are an annual pass holder and a DVC, make sure you tell your server that you are both, at least one, but there happens to be a special going on for annual pass holders at lunchtime only at Animal Kingdom Lodge at Sanaa. You get 20% off, so we just found out by chance, so I thought I would pass that little tip along. So we just had an amazing lunch at Sanaa, and I have to say, it was a little noisy in the restaurant, so hopefully you guys can hear everything we said about the meal, but we just came for lunch service. We got the bread service, drinks all around, 2 desserts, I had coffee at the end, 36 bucks. That's like 12 bucks, that's average 12 bucks per person for lunch in Disney. It's like quick service prices, but you actually sat down, relaxed, had a great time. So I would highly recommend the bread service at Sanaa. I think it was really good. And fun to come out and have the kids see the animals here. And in Sanaa, if you sit in, we were in the lounge, but if you sit in the restaurant area, you can actually see the animals right outside your window. And the waitress was so nice, she brought me the chai cream side, which is my favorite thing for breakfast here, so I was so happy about that. So if you guys have the chance, come on over and check out the bread service at Sanaa. You won't be sorry. Hang on, look what the kids found.
We found our name on a few years ago.
You found our name!
We put it on a few years ago.
The Williams!
We found it again.
That is so cool. We like it. Look at all the family names. It's pretty neat, huh?
It's short.
Are you excited to find your name? Yeah, super cool. Alright, we're gonna go over and check out the big souvenir shop at Jumbo House. Corin's on the hunt for a Tigger? You don't want me to tell everybody? You're on the hunt? Yeah. He's on the hunt for a Tigger. He wants one. So, alright, let's go. That was pretty good.